Hi, I'm Justin Conde from Noveleta, Cavite, Philippines, and I will answer the two questions. My answer for the first question is, as a political science student and an active student leader, I bring a deep understanding of political structures, policy making, and the role of governance in improving society. I firmly believe that a strong and effective collective action must be rooted in the principles of democracy, transparency, and accountability. Through my experiences in organizing seminars, participating in relief operations, and engaging with communities, I have been actively involved in advocating against long-standing societal issues such as political dynasties, corruption, extrajudicial killings, and other abuses of power. I fully recognize the profound in the present but also on future generations. This drives me to continuously engage in initiatives aimed at strengthening political awareness, promoting good governance, and pushing for systematic reforms. I expect this program to provide me with a deeper understanding of leadership strategies, policymaking, and grassroots organizing on a global scale. I'm eager to learn from experts and fellow leaders about how to foster collaboration across different sectors to develop more inclusive and sustainable solutions to social issues. My answer for the next question is, as a political science student and a leader in both my university, as a political My answer for the next question is, as a political science student and a leader in both my university and community, I believe that the skills and tools from this program will greatly enhance my knowledge of governance, policymaking, and advocacy work. By deepening my understanding of strategic communication, negotiation, and coalition building, I can become more effective in implementing campaigns and initiatives that create tangible impacts within my community. Additionally, this program will allow me to expand my network and establish connections with leaders from different countries, fostering stronger collaboration for a collective action. With the insights and expertise gained from this program, I will be better equipped to implement initiatives that can drive change not only at the local level but also at the national and global levels. This opportunity is especially valuable to me as I am planning to run for SK Councilor. I am to apply these lessons from this program to promote transparent, effective, and meaningful governance in my barangay. I will use knowledge to encourage youth participation in governance, advocate for good governance, and fight against issues such as corruption and the lack of youth representation in politics. More than just personal growth, this program will serve as a platform for me to share my learnings with my fellow citizens and empower the youth sector to take an active role in shaping a better society. Thank you.